Makers, it's Inisa, made at NPL's General Technician, and I'm going to teach you how to sew a hole as part of our new series, It's Sew Saturday. Have you ever had your favorite pair of pants ripped in the thigh? It's so common that I thought I would do a tutorial showing you how to sew up that hole as a part of our new series. After you've been lounging around all Saturday morning, you can go to your machine and start to sew, or sew right in your bed. Let's get to it.
So this is actually a jumper. It's a stiff fabric so it doesn't stretch, which is part of the reason why it ripped. So we are going to do a blanket stitch. I learned this technique from my Mom Makes YouTube channel. And it involves pushing the needle through the opposite side of the fabric that's facing you. The needle comes all the way out, and before you pull the thread all the way through, take the needle and insert it through this loop you created. This loop was created by inserting the needle into the opposite side of the fabric. And now, pull the needle all the way through. And we are going to do this on both sides. Since we have reinforced our stitch, now we are going to begin the actual stitching of the hole. As I am sewing, I am making sure to go through the reinforced blanket stitch that I created, not the frayed edges, because we know those edges are weak. It will not be a good foundation for a strong stitch. And there you have it. It's all sewn up. It is in the thigh, so no one will see.
But to make sure that it will hold, we're gonna give it a strength test. Oh my God. We have a monthly meetup. It's not a class per se, there's no one here instructing, but it is a community meetup where members of the community can come together and work on their own individual projects and give each other tips to help one another out. Please come out and laugh, support, learn, and grow. Also follow us on all our social media platforms, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Follow us. We hope to see you soon. See you later, makers.